What's happening, everybody? Exercise, note recall, not always much fun, so just work in small increments. That's the best way to get this down. But if you do get it down, your foundation will be stronger. And if this video is too tricky, don't worry, I have another video. The link is in the description. You can go ahead and check that out and it should be able to help you. All right, so we have 4 levels in this exercise. Each level has similar exercises. There's 2 main ones, but they progress. So they're similar, but kind of like a theme and variation thing. All right, enough of the music geeky stuff. What we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna first play a note. A few seconds go by and you have to figure it out. And then the second part of the exercise, still level 1, would be me saying, play a E. A few seconds go by, you have the backing track, and then you play an E. Level 2, what happens now is the music gets a little faster, music works on a deadline, and so you're sharpening up your recall abilities so you can name the notes faster. Level 3, teeny bit faster, but guess what? I might do this. And then you have to figure out what those notes are, D and F. The second part would be me saying play an A, a few seconds go by, I'll demonstrate, or I might say play an F and an A. All right, level 4, similar to level 3, a little faster, and now I might play up to 3 notes. So the first part might be like this. And then you'll see me say D, F, and A. Or it could just be one note, and it might be kind of quick like this. G. And that second part would be play me an F, A, and C. All right, hopefully that explained everything, but listen, on the video I have software where you'll see the blue keys, and then you'll also see play pitch E or something like that. Please go ahead and offer a tip by just simply hitting the like button. All right, take care, bye for now. All right, I play it, you name it. That was A. That was D. That was E. That was C. B. That was F. That was D. That was G. All right, here we go. I'm gonna say the note, you try to play it, and then I'll play it. Play A. Play D. Play F. Play B. Play C. Play E. Play D. Play G. Level 2, we got it. That was D. That was A. That was B. C. That was F. That was A. That was G. That was E. All right, here we go. I'm going to say the note. You try to figure it out. Play A. Play D. Play E. Play C. Play B. Play F. Play D. Play G. All right, here we are, level 3. I might play up to 2 notes. I'll play first and then you figure it out. C and E. That was F. That's G. That's A. That's D and A. That's D. C and G. That's A. All right, you go ahead and play. Play D and A. All right, you play F. All right, you play A. All right, you play F and A. You play D. You play B. You play A. Good job. All right, awesome. You made it to level 4. I might play up to 3 notes. Here we go. C, E, and A. F and A. A and C. C's. D. G and C. F. B. All right, here I go. I'm going to say the note, you play it. Play C's. Play G and C. Play D. Play C's. Play F and A. Play B. Play C's. Play C, E, and G. All right, awesome if you're able to get to that point. I obviously got a little carried away. I played some octaves in there. C's octaves are good, but D might have confused you. Hope you like this. It was fun making it. See everyone soon. Bye.